While the traditional way of cooking Gajar Halwa is known to be a labor of love involving a lot of stirring and slow cooking. But worry not. Today, I have a quick version of this delicious dessert for you. Hi guys, this is Ruchi Bharani. Welcome to Rajshri Food, your ultimate destination for 100% vegetarian recipes. And let's begin with the delicious recipe of Gajar Halwa in the pressure cooker. So I'm going to start with heating 2 tablespoons of ghee in a pressure cooker. I have 1 kg of carrots. They're fresh and seasonal, and I've just chopped it up into 1-inch strips. Also remove if there's too much of that white part in it, just cut off all of that. The ghee is nice and hot now. I'm going to add all these carrot pieces into the cooker. Since this is an instant version, we're avoiding the whole step of grating so many carrots, and it's going to be much quicker and faster. Let the carrots saute in the ghee for about 2 minutes. After cooking the carrots for 2 minutes, into this I'm going to add in half a liter of full fat milk. Give this a stir. Cover the pressure cooker, and now I'm going to cook this for 2 whistles on medium flame. While this Gajar Halwa is going to be ready in a jiffy, of course you know what's coming up next, the shout out segment, so stay tuned till the end. While this is cooking, I'm going to quickly fry the nuts. So for that, in this pan, I'm going to heat up just a teaspoon of ghee. Turn on the flame. Into that, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of chopped cashews. Give this a mix and fry these till they are golden brown. Let's quickly add in the almond flakes and as well as some pistachio flakes. These are done. Let's get them out. Remove these from the hot pan, otherwise they're going to start to burn. 2 whistles are up. I'm going to turn off the flame now. Let the pressure cooker cool down for a few minutes before you open it. Once all the steam is out, slowly open the pressure cooker. The milk and the carrots is still steaming hot, and I'm just going to mash it slightly. Since we have not grated the carrots, we've cut them into pieces. By mashing them, it's going to give it the appropriate texture of the halwa. The carrot pieces are nicely mashed and it's given a nice thickness to the halwa. And into this, now I'm going to add in the sugar. So 1/4 cup of sugar. Give this a stir. And now we need to cook this till the halwa thickens and comes to the perfect consistency. So let's turn on the flame. Just keep stirring periodically till the milk and the water from the sugar evaporates. While this method is quick and easy, if you would like to get a taste of tradition, you can check the link for the traditional Gajar Halwa in the description box below. This has reached the perfect consistency, and now into this I need to add the last 2 ingredients, that is the roasted nuts. Keep some for garnish, as well as 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Give this a good mix. This is done and ready to plate. There's nothing better than warm Gajar Halwa straight out of the pan. Let's garnish it with some nuts. I have some cashew nuts here, almond flakes, and some pistachio flakes. I can't wait to dig into this. If you're drooling too, try out this pressure cooker Gajar Halwa recipe and fulfill your cravings. Till then, cook lovingly and eat wholeheartedly. Cooking Gajar Halwa in the pressure cooker saves a lot of time and energy. To which recipe did you give your spin to make it quicker and easier? Do let me know.